stars were always there, until they weren't. And then this mark, it started glowing. I asked them where they went. The stars, but they were gone, all of them. I didn't know where I was going, only that the forest wanted me to follow. His name was Pebble. He looked angry, but his heart was made of stories. We went where no one else could go, and somehow, we weren't alone anymore. She was everything I imagined, and more. She held the secret of the stars. He was my first step to the stars, and I'll never forget him.
I made this whole 3D animation using just a few typed prompts, and only free AI tools. No studio, no team, no expensive software. And guess what? You can do it too. You don't need to know anything about animation. You don't need to learn 3D design. Just write a few smart prompts, and the AI will handle everything for you. Right now, people all over the world are making short animated films that look like movies, but they're doing it from home and spending zero money. And the crazy part, some of them are even making money from these videos, thousands of dollars each month, just by using free tools and working from their bedrooms. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do the same thing, step by step, just real tools, real results, and your cool ideas turned into 3D movies. Ready to make your first 3D cartoon? Let's get started. I've already done the hard part for you. There's a ready-made prompt file you can use right away, and you'll find the link in the description below. When you open that file, you'll see much prompt N1, full design for our main character, Luma. Prompt N2, detailed setup for Pebble, a moody ancient stone creature. Prompt N3, a scene prompt for the forest, where the whole story happens. And just below you'll find the best part, the master prompt. This one prompt builds your full 3D story. All you need to do is copy that master prompt from the file, paste it into ChatGPT, and press enter. In a few seconds, you'll get a full 7-scene animated story, step-by-step voice narration, scene prompts for images, camera angles, a single image prompt to create Luma, the main character. It's all perfectly organized and ready to go. Want to make your own stories instead of using mine? No problem. I've added a bonus prompt that helps you create as many stories as you want in the same style. Now, let's jump back into our story about Luma and Pebble. It's time to make your story come alive by turning those prompts into beautiful Disney-style pictures. To do this, we'll use a powerful tool called Google Whisk. You can try other text-to-image tools too, but here's the catch. Google Whisk is great because it keeps your characters looking the same in every picture. And yes, it's completely free to use. After logging into your Google Whisk account, you'll see 3 main boxes. Subject. This is where you add your characters. Scene. This is where you tell it what place or setting to show. Style. This decides how your image looks like Pixar style, realistic, Disney, or cartoon. Let's start. Open the prompt file you downloaded earlier. Copy the character info for Luma, and paste it into the subject box in Whisk. Click the FOSS button to add another subject. Now copy Pebble's details and paste them there too. Next, copy the forest scene prompt and paste it into the scene box. If your story has more than one location, just repeat this for each place. For the style box, write a cinematic Disney-style 3D animation. Now switch back to ChatGPT, and copy the first image prompt, paste that into the prompt box in Whisk. Before you click Generate, make sure Luma and Pebble are selected in the subject area. Make sure the forest scene is selected as it is the story setting. Then hit Generate. In a few minutes, you'll have a beautiful 3D image that looks like it came from a Disney movie. Let's keep going. Copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk. Click Generate again. The result. Super cool. Pro tip. Don't be afraid to play around. Change your prompts a little. Try different words. If something looks off, a small change can make a big difference. Once you've made all your images, download them and save them in a folder. Now it's time to turn your images into Disney-style animation clips. To do that, we'll use a strong AI tool called Hailuo AI. It normally costs money, but don't worry, I'll show you how to use it for free. Here's how. Sign up using a brand new Gmail account. When you sign in, Hailuo AI gives you 200 free credits right away. After you log in, go to the video generation section, upload your first image. In the box below, type a short sentence describing the action. Example. Luma stretches her hand towards Pebble and he holds her hand. Then click Generate, and let Hailuo do the rest. While that's loading, upload your second image, add another short action sentence that matches that scene, click Generate again. Hailuo lets you animate 3 images at once. So, upload one more image, Write an animation prompt that fits the picture. Hit generate. Pro tip: to work faster, use more Gmail accounts. That way, you can animate more scenes at the same time. Keep repeating this until all your scenes are animated. Now that your animation clips are ready, let's move to the final step, putting all the parts together with CapCut. Here's what to do. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your video clips that you made with AI. Drag each clip onto the timeline in the right order based on your story. Make sure to follow your script and scene layout as you place each clip. If the switch from one scene to the next feels too sudden, you can make it smoother by adding simple effects like fade in, mix transition. These small touches will make your video look more like a real movie. You can use CapCut Pro's built-in sound effects, or go to pixabay.com to find extra sounds. Search for relevant and catchy sounds like forest footsteps, cave dripping water, ancient magic canning stars spaceship, farewell music, stone rumble, and more. Once you find the sounds you like, download them and import them into CapCut. Then drag each sound onto your timeline and match it with the right moment in the video. You'll see your simple animation turn into a full exciting story with both visuals and sounds. It's time for the final step. Click export. That's it. You've made your own 3D animated short film, just like Disney, using only free AI tools. If this tutorial helped you, comment below and tell me what kind of story you're creating next. See you in the next video.